and it makes such a satisfying sound. Oh my god. No door handles or anything, right? Well, there's a secret button, a little fingerprint scanner. Let's see if I can get this right. And oh yeah. This is so cool. You have a projection. Oh my god. This is exciting. That's super cool. That is super cool. Yeah, you feel like you're in some sort of like a fairy tale. It doesn't even feel like you're on the road. You hear that? Little heartbeat. Doom, doom. So what this is doing is this is actually scanning my heartbeat, and it can actually tell through this scanner and this projector who's driving the car. So I can slowly turn it like this. Look at that. We're crab walking now. We are crab walking. We'll crab walk the other way. Oh my god.